Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove shorts on YouTube permanently. So if you're going to open your YouTube app, as you can see on your screen, and if you're going to scroll up, you'll find all the shorts video. Now to basically delete all of the shorts here, all you need to do is tap on the three dots right there at the top of the short video, and then tap on not interested. So you're going to do that all of the shorts right here on your screen. So tap on the three dots and tap on not interested. So you'll basically do it one by one. And once done, if you reload your YouTube, as you can see here, all the shorts have been removed. Now another way here is by going to your profile settings. So tap on your profile at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And from here, just need to tap on the gear icon, the settings at the top right, and then tap on the manage all history. And from here, select the Google account that you're using on your YouTube. And basically here, you'll find this page where you can actually pause or stop all of your YouTube history. So you'll find this option which is saving your watch history. So we're going to tap on that. And here, all you need to do is tap on the turn off button. So why are we going to turn off this YouTube history? Well, the YouTube algorithm is working and showing you some videos on YouTube depending on your activity. So basically, if you turn this off or pause any YouTube history on your YouTube app, basically it will pause also all of the videos on YouTube Shorts. So that's it. That's how you basically remove or delete all the shorts on YouTube permanently. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.